Hello kids. The topic for today is nutrition in living organisms. Now, first understand what is nutrition. Nutrition is the intake of food which will help you to provide energy. What is this energy needed for? It is needed to do our work daily, for growth, for repair, for division of cells, for protection, and to provide raw material. Now, this nutrition is nothing but carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals. You know the composition that they are made up of: carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, phosphorus, sulfur, nitrogen. Now, we'll see nutrition in unicellular and multicellular organisms. In unicellular organisms, as we know, amoeba is a unicellular organism which takes its food with the help of phagocytosis. It makes a food vacuole, digests it, and gets the needed required energy. What about plants? Plants are the only autotrophic organisms which are present on earth. They are therefore called as producers. They undergo an anabolic process which is called as photosynthesis. What happens here? Carbon dioxide, water in the presence of sunlight and chloroplast, it is converted into glucose, oxygen and water. So this is nothing but the food produced by the plants. Now what about animals? Animals are heterotrophs. What do? They require energy which they gain it from these producers. So that is why heterotrophs are called as consumers. Now let us go to the type of nutrition in animals. The nutrition can be holozoic nutrition as we see in humans. It is a 5-step process: ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation and egestion. I've already learned this in the digestive system. Then we have parasitic nutrition. It can be seen in Cuscuta plant tapeworm. What do? They take food from the host. They live on some host and then they take all the nutrients from them to survive. Then we have symbionts. What are symbiotic nutrition? Here they live in harmony together. Two organisms live in harmony with each other, just like lichen, where we have one algae and a fungi living together. Rhizobium is also one of the example. Then we have saprophytic nutrition. What do saprophytic nutrition means? That means they live or they take the nutrients from dead decaying matter. Who does this type of nutrition? Who has it? Fungi usually have it. Mushroom, mildew, molds, bread mold, if you all have seen. That is saprophytic nutrition. Now the last is the insectivores. We know the examples. They take the nutrition directly from the insects. The energy which is stored in the insects, they suck it and they survive. Example, Venus flytrap and pitcher plant. So this is all about nutrition in a very easy, simple way. Just go through it.